All right, I'm back with another cute project. This is just a little cookie box, and this is your kit that you'll use. These are new, I think they're 3¼ or 3½ inch square acetate boxes. They are in our big annual catalog, and I just thought this would be a cute little gift. Another inexpensive little gift to give to people. You could make a lot of these. And so let me just show you a couple tips on this. So this is the box, and I'm going to go ahead and put this together just by, these are so nice. They're all scored. And you just, fold on those score lines and put your box together. Look at that. Okay. And then, whoops, I didn't get that in there. There we go. Whoop. There we go. So when you're doing this box, I thought it would be a good idea to have the box open at the side so that way I can wrap my designer paper all the way around, and all they need to do is untie the twine here to get their cookie out. This is a belly band. I kept this loose, so if they do want to take the whole thing apart, they just have to slide that off. So whatever their preference is. And then you're going to need a skinny flat cookie. I actually found these, I think they're Chips Ahoy. But I know that sometimes you can find little individual packages of cookies at Christmas time, like those shortbread. I think they're Walker brand shortbread. I think they might have those like at World Market or a place like that. But I'm just going to go ahead and close up my box. That flap. Hold on, let me fix this flap here. All right. I'm going to put that in there like that. Okay, there we go. And then this is just creating a belly band. And again, my box is going to open right here. So I'm going to go ahead and secure this. And I want to make it snug, but not so snug that it's not going to be able to move a little bit. So I want it to be loose and something that they can slide off. So I'm going to go ahead and add my Stampin' seal and just kind of fold this paper around there. And you can see how it still will just slide right off and on if need be. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is adhere my red circle, and I'm just going to attach that flat to this box, to the belly band. So we'll go ahead and add my seal adhesive. Put that right on there like that. All right, then we're going to take a circle, and the nice thing about this project is these 3 things are punches, so that makes it quick and easy. The cookies is from the Nothing Better Than bundle. It is a super cute bundle. It has words that spell out cookies and chocolate and I think cocktails, I'm not sure, but so I am going to go ahead and attach my tree so that it's so that it's hanging over part of this circle, which means I'm just going to put adhesive here, not across the whole thing, just a little bit like that. Let me get that off of there, because that's going to stick to something that I don't want it to. Okay. All right, so we'll put this here. And then before I attach this, I'm going to take my red twine and wrap this around my box. And go ahead and secure it in a bow. And I gave you each a jingle bell. And I'm going to go ahead and just slide that on this cord here before I tie my bow. Okay. So we'll go ahead and tie this in a bow. Like that. I just have to like fidget with these a little bit, fuss around with them a little bit. All right, so there's my bow. And then I'm going to do my cookies. And what we did when we die cut these was we used the adhesive sheets, and we put the adhesive sheets on the back of the cardstock and ran it through the Big Shot or our die cutting machine like that. And then that makes it really nice and easy to attach it to the box. So I'm going to go ahead and just poke out these the little holes from the E's and the S's and the K. I'll go ahead and poke those out. And sometimes what happens is when you pull the back of the adhesive sheet, those little holes just pop right out. And that makes it even easier. So this whole thing is sticky, the whole word. So I'm just going to position that in place. Get it off my finger there. Okay, so there's my cookies, and you can see the whole thing is stuck now. Such an easy way to attach, you know, that kind of like word or any kind of a fine detail die that you have. That's a really good way to do that. Okay, I'm going to take For You and use my Real Red ink and just stamp this down here in the corner. Like that. And then I'll add some embellishments before I attach it to my little box. That's going to be there. And I think I'll add, well, I need to dot the I, so I'll use a star to dot the I, and then I'll just put some of these on the tree to decorate my tree a little bit. Do a couple red, a couple white. Here. And then maybe, I think I'll put a large one over here. That might be good. Okay, isn't that cute? It's just fun. Cute, cute, inexpensive gift. And then that's going to just attach here. Now, when I attach this, I have this cord going across here. So what I'll do is just put a dimensional at the top and the bottom so that that will fit right over the, you know, that excess bulge, if you will, of that twine. So let me flip this over, and I'll just take 2 dimensionals, and I'll put one at the top and one at the bottom. And that will just fit right on there like that. And there you have a cute little gift with some cookies.